Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming to this brief unboxing video. This is my very first revolver I've ever owned, and what better way to start your revolver collection than with a Smith & Wesson, American made, and allow me to show you exactly what we got here. This is a 6.86 plus. It is a 7-round revolver. And I am liking it a lot so far. It came with these rubberized grips, but I replaced it with an Altamont laser engraved rosewood ones. Let me know what you think. Do you like revolvers? Bye.